welcome back to the channel. My name is Anya, and for today's video, sorry about the noise, there's a bit of a garden work happening, but just don't mind it. But for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some caramel rusks. I just saw this recipe on Instagram, so I will tag the creator in the comment section and in the description. But I thought it was such a cool recipe that I had to recreate it, and these turned out so good. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to give this video a like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my Amazon store to get all the essential things that I use in the video. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy the video and enjoy!